Guys, we're back. This is all we use. No animal suffered in this process of this film making. So this is it, the chicken nugget. Look at it, guys. This is vegan chicken. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much guys for coming to my channel today. Doing beauty inside out. I have some of my subscribers that said, Auntie J, can you please make a recipe that does not include meat or fish because we're vegan? Hey, I didn't know everybody has gone vegan these days. My goodness. Tofu bed, the one I'm using today, I'm just using this to show you. You can buy it in any store. It's not very expensive. It's between $1 to $3. Depends on what store you go to. So I'm not using this very one. I use this for something else. Normally I use the medium firm. I get it from the store and then I freeze it. And that time is heavy. I used to put on top of it. So the water can go. This is how I had. See how small it became. The water has gone out from the freezing. So now I take it to the next level. This is the tofu, right? So I'm going to break it. Look, do you see how doesn't it look like meat, guys? So I just put it. I have my sauce, my soya sauce, any type of sauce you can use, marinara, to just make it tasty. Just break it down the way you like, any way you like. But you see, because I had frozen it and let it drain, the water drain out. That's very important because if it's too much water, it's going to be too soggy. So I mix it up. I use this sauce. It's called Asian sauce. It has everything in it. It has soya sauce and all the type of Asian type of spices. Just pour it in it. Oh, guys, it smells like barbecue sauce. It's amazing. So I just spice it with a little bit of my all-purpose, not part of it. So I just put my all-purpose spice and my umami. Remember, guys, I told you guys about this umami. Don't sleep on it. Umami. It's just dried. It's just dried mushrooms that I put together. That is inside it. That's the umami. So mix it. If you like, you can add garlic powder, onion powder, whatever you like, you can put in it. And then I also minced some garlic. I mixed some garlic and pepper and put in it because I like it spicy. So I mix it together and then I let it marinate for like 15 minutes. Just leave it alone for 15 minutes. So it's ready to go on the next level. So here I have mixed cornstarch and flour together. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little water to it just so it can stick. Just a little water for the cornstarch. Yeah, I'm just going to make it to be a little bit slurry so it can stick to it. So this is already marinated. I mix it with the cornstarch and flour, half and half. So now I put it here where I have flour and I added cornflakes, regular morning cornflakes that you have for breakfast. Okay, I'll give you that one later. So the cornflakes is here with the flour. Okay, this is for the crunch. So who can tell me this is not chicken? Don't even go there. Okay, so we have this. If you like more pepper, put more pepper. If you like a little bit more salt or less, according to taste. That's what I would say. My hands are looking all messy, but don't worry. That is the crunch that gives actually the taste in it and everything. So the oil is ready. Onion. I almost forgot. Let's add the onion. This makes the this is just to flavor the oil. This onion, just a little bit of onion to it. And we go. So be very generous with the flour. Pack it really good, but very, very generous. The flour and we're going to come back to see how wonderful it is. The onion is flavoring it, and our aka chicken is doing this thing. This is all we use. No animal suffered in this process of this film making. enjoy, have fun, and I hope to see you guys soon. Thank you very much. Vielen Dank. Tschüss, bis bald.